Hello viewers, Assalamu Alaikum and Adaab to everyone. I am Asif Iqbal, studying BSc and CSE in Northwestern University, Pune. Today I am going to showcase our team project, which we have completed on data structure Sessional, supervised by MD Shymon Islam Sir. It is a basic data entry project based on linked list. We used Python programming for both data structure and for developing the GUI interface. We already know Python offers Tkinter method for fast and easy GUI applications. Now I'm gonna demonstrating our project. Let me run our project first. As you can see, this is our home page and it looks like an empty canvas because currently there is no data in our linked list. We will start by adding our first data in the node by clicking the new button. As you can see, this is a prompt for entering the data. Let's assume our first data is 10. We can see that our entered data is now showing on the screen containing a node. If we click on the node, it will show a submenu containing more options like add left, add right, update, and remove. If we want to add a new data with a new node, to the left side, we can use the add left button. By clicking add left, it will again prompt us with a new data. Let's assume we will enter 3. We can see that the new data is now on a new node on the left side of the previous node. If we want a new node to be added to the right side, we can use the add right button and let's enter a new data, say 15. Now a new data with a new node containing data 15 is placed right after the previous node or required row. So basically, our program dynamically detects the root location and add data with a new node according to it. We can update any of the data by clicking the update button and replace our data. We can also remove a node by clicking the remove button. There is a search button for which we can search if a data is presented on our linked list. Let's say we enter 10. It is prompting us that yes, data 10 is found. Then there is an export button which will place or export all the data in a text file in the program location. Here is our program location and here is the output data. At last, there is a reset button which basically removes all the nodes, all the data from the linked list, and we can start from scratch. There is a menu bar having all these options for quicker access. The About button shortly describes about what can this program do. The Authors button describes about us, and the Exit button basically closes our program. So this is the end of our project showcase. I hope you all liked our project and gained some ideas by watching our project. If you have any questions regarding the project, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section. Have a good day. Goodbye.